Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about Lakshmi Yoga and luxurious life. Only Vedic astrology has the devised system of yogas, special planetary combinations which indicates abundant wealth, political or royal power, spiritual and spiritude, etc. Results of the yoga will be experienced in full only if the planet producing such yoga are in good strength. Here, let us analyze Lakshmi Yoga, which everyone wishes for in his horoscope. How is Lakshmi Yoga formed? Brihad Parashara Hora says, if the ninth lord is in the angle identical with his Mula Trigona sign, on sign, or exhalation sign, which the ascendant lord is endowed with the strength, Lakshmi Yoga occurs. The native with this yoga will be charming, virtuous, kingly in status, endowed with many sons, wealthy. The native with Lakshmi Yoga will be a favorite of goddess Lakshmi, very wealthy. Lakshmi is the seat of wealth. There are 8 Lakshmis are there. Siddha Lakshmi, Moksha Lakshmi, Dhan Lakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi, Gaja Lakshmi, Griha Lakshmi. And Griha Lakshmi is the mother of the house. The if the person have the Lakshmi Yoga, the person become very popular and all means of comforts will come under his feet. Lakshmi blesses, he will be free from disease, he will enjoy rides in beautiful plangains, horses or elephants or vehicles. He will have the privileges of traveling in luxurious conveyances. He will be generous in giving gift and will be a capable ruler adorned by his subjects. Jataka Adesha mentions 2 different types of Lakshmi Yoga. The chapter 8, Sloka 67 says, when the Lord of the Lakshmi blesses, he will get all the comforts in life and he can enjoy all the means of comforts in life and enjoy the life from birth to death. And that also he will get good education also and good position in the society. All the educated people and all the nobles will admire him and he can enjoy everything. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.